Are you looking for ultra-high performance microcontrollers for your next edge and endpoint AI/ML, IoT, or HMI application? Look no further than the Renesas' latest, industry's first, and the world's most powerful microcontroller series based on ARM Cortex-M85 processor. Greetings from Renesas. I'm Ashish Ahuja. In this video, we'll take a look at the innovation kits for the RA8 microcontroller series. Using these kits, you can develop proof of concepts for resource-constrained edge and endpoint devices that require AI and IoT capabilities. These kits are suitable for embedded system applications that need close to microprocessor level performance, while benefiting from high integration, power efficiency, and price point of a microcontroller. We'll talk about the key features of the RA8 series kits, unbox the flagship kit RA8D1, run the pre-programmed quick start example project, and point you to some useful resources for further tinkering. The RA8 series kits are part of a product lineup that provides an unparalleled combination of standardization and flexibility that helps you shorten the learning curve, speed up development, allow time for differentiated innovation, or take your end products to market faster. Now let's unbox the EK-RA8D1 and look at what's inside. To help you get started effortlessly, the kit comes with a welcome card that has useful links to get information and technical support, the EK-RA8D1 board with pre-mounted pin headers, and a programmed quick start example project, required accessories that include MIPI graphics expansion board, camera expansion board, cables, and mounting hardware. The EK-RA8D1 board consists of two sections. The first section includes the ecosystem and the system control area that features onboard debugging, ecosystem expansion, serial connectivity, power regulation, user IOs, reset, and boot configuration. This section is standard on all the boards based on this architecture. The second section is unique to each kit. It comprises the special feature access and native MCU pin access areas. Depending on the kit, the special feature access area could consist of Ethernet, OctoSPI flash, SDRAM, USB high-speed, graphics and camera expansion ports, and CAN with flexible data rate. The MCU native pin access area provides direct access to the RA microcontroller terminals via male pin headers and clamping loops for current measurement. Now, we'll run the free RTOS-based quick start example project that showcases AI, connectivity, and HMI apps. It can serve as an excellent starting point for you to create more advanced applications later. First, please ensure that SW1 settings are configured as shown on the screen. Ensure that jumper J6 and J29 are closed. Securely connect the camera and MIPI graphics expansion boards to the respective ports. Use the provided micro USB cable to connect the kit to a host PC. The white power LED will light up and the welcome screen will be displayed, indicating that the quick start example project is executing. The example project features several apps. We will look at some of them starting with the target detection AI apps. The Helium M-Profile vector extension technology is integrated into the ARM Cortex-M85 core present in the RA8 series microcontrollers on these kits. It brings unprecedented performance required for computationally intensive edge and endpoint AI/ML applications. The two AI apps in the example project utilize single-stage real-time target detection models. They use conventional neural networks and perform target prediction in the video frame in a single algorithm run. Helium accelerates the neural network processing, providing a performance boost and the near real-time results. Let's take a closer look. Tap on the application menu and launch the face detection app. It uses the YOLO fastest target detection model to detect multiple faces in the frame. Let me look into the camera on the kit. Bounding boxes appear around the detected faces, and the number of detected faces is also displayed. The AI inference time is around 130 milliseconds. If the video stream appears blurry, you may adjust the camera focus. Next, let's open the image classification app. It uses the MobileNet V1 target detection model to classify objects. Let's show a few images to the camera. The detection probability and image class appear on the screen. Here are a couple more images. The inference time is 75 milliseconds, which is about 13 frames per second. This does not include the graphics performance. Such target detection models find use in many vision AI applications such as people identification, face detection, pose estimation, gesture and expression detection, and object image classification. Let's switch gear and look at Internet connectivity apps that utilize Ethernet MAC peripheral available on the RA8 series microcontrollers. Make sure to set the configuration switches as shown on the screen and connect an Ethernet cable to provide Internet connectivity to the kit. Currency converter, world time zones, and world weather apps are mini web clients that obtain near real-time data from third-party servers. API keys are required to access the third-party services. I've already obtained the API keys and programmed them into this kit. The procedure is straightforward and mentioned in the Quick Start guide. Let's perform a data refresh on the currency converter application using Teraterm running on a host PC. To initiate the data refresh, press option 3 in the command line menu. Let's give this a moment to complete. Once the refresh is complete, return to the menu and press option 2. On the kit, open the currency converter app and tap the flags of at least 2 countries to view the just obtained currency conversion rates. You can do the same for the world time zone and weather apps. Finally, let's quickly look at the offline HMI apps. The user LED control application shows a simple HMI control panel used for modifying LED parameters using slider widgets. The kit also displays RA8D1 microcontroller's unique ID and live die temperature. You can utilize GUIX and MWin libraries included in the flexible software package to build interactive interfaces using GUIX Studio and AppWizard respectively. The innovation kits also feature multiple debugging modes that allow you to debug the RA microcontroller on the kits or on your custom board. The kits are also compatible with popular ecosystems. The expansion ports allow you to conveniently enhance the functionality of the kits by simultaneously connecting several third-party add-ons. You may also connect a general-purpose prototyping board to implement custom functionality, enabling you to quickly put together various end applications. For more information and to order your own kits, please visit the kit web pages. This is where you can download the Quick Start Guide, user manual, example project bundle, schematics, bill of materials, design files, manufacturing files, driver, middleware, and development tools. So in this video, we talked about the key features of the RA8 series kits, ran the Quick Start example on the flagship kit EK-RA8D1, and learned how you can utilize these to quickly start developing differentiated AIoT applications for edge and endpoint devices. I invite you to join the Renesas community on the RA support forum. This is where you can ask questions and get assistance from our team of experts and also collaborate with other members of the Renesas community. We hope that you enjoy innovating with these kits as much as we have enjoyed developing them. Order your favorite kit today and bring your big ideas to life.